Hope you're having a lovely day and you're searching for another recipe. This is the Majestic Cupcakery.
Hi, it's Beth at Majestic Cupcakery, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a beautiful ombre buttercream effect on your cake. So I have the cake stacked and filled. I have lemon cake, but use whatever you like, and I'm just using some lemon buttercream to crumb coat the cake. This just keeps all the crumbs in at this stage, so later on it doesn't end up in your ombre effect, which wouldn't be very pretty. I'm just going around with my little palette knife to seal in all those tiny little crumbs. This doesn't need to be neat, you will be covering it later. I then take a cake scraper to really press the crumbs in and straighten it up. Make sure you get all of those edges, and it wants to go in the fridge for half hour to firm up, ready for the next layer. Now it's out of the fridge, I have 3 ombre buttercream colours ready. I have a dark shade, a medium shade, and a white shade. It doesn't matter what colour you go for as long as you have 3 different shades of the same colour, if that makes sense. You want to start by piping the darkest shade at the bottom. I like to go 3 lines high, but this all depends on the height of the cake. If it's shorter, then you want to make sure you're covering a third with dark. Go ahead and fill in any gaps you may have. Then go in with your medium shade, repeating the process as before, filling in the gaps as you go. Then with your white shade, again I think you know the drill by now. I'm just taking my small palette knife and spreading out the white colour across the top to cover the cake. You want to then take the cake scraper and gently run it all the way around the cake. This is the first step to getting the ombre effect. Go around as much as you need to make it smooth. Remember to wipe the scraper clean each time it leaves the cake. I also like it like this. I think it gives it a really nice block stripe effect, so you could always leave it like this if you wanted to. I'm taking my trusted small palette knife yet again and using it very lightly to merge the 2 colours together. This gives more of an ombre effect and where the cake starts to look how you want it to. Do this all the way around both lines. Take your scraper and smoothen it back out. You can repeat this process as many times as you feel like you need to. Obviously the more you do, the more blended together it will end up. I'm really liking it at this point. Don't forget to take in those top edges to get a straight edge. I haven't tried to get it too straight as I'm covering it with a drip, but this is the point where you could do whatever you wanted to finish the ombre cake off. I just let my cake set so I could apply my drip. I went for the same colour as the cake, but darker, just to give it some contrast. It's always super satisfying watching a drip being piped, don't you think? I'm spreading the white chocolate ganache over the top to neaten and watching as the drip falls as and where it wants to. No drip is ever going to do what it's told, you've just got to go with it. I like to add a few buttercream swirls to the top of the cake. I think it just makes it look pretty, along with some sprinkles. But as I said earlier, make this design your own and decorate as you wish. This is the finished ombre cake I've ended up with. I hope you all give it a try too. Don't forget to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to be notified every time there's a new video to watch. I'll see you all next time. Bye!